Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your Week 6 screencast video. So, as I begin to this week's video, just want to remind everybody about Week 5. I am taping this on Saturday morning, the 7th. The last post for your Encountering Sources blog, post number 5, was due Friday, end of day. And Sunday, the annotated working bibliography assignment is due end of day on Sunday. As I move into the week 6 schedule and due dates, I'm going to talk a little bit about how it's time to write. We're getting into the drafting stage with the course with the consultation draft. One of the activities this week, it'll be your 3 ways in. And also the organizational structure we'll point out in Chapter 4. So as I mentioned, during the front half of Week 6, I'll be reviewing and assessing the Encountering Sources blog and the annotated working bibliography. So you're going to want to check often, Blackboard, to see if I've reviewed your particular submissions. Please take the time to read the not yet grading policy that is included in the syllabus. So as we see Tuesday, discussion board activities 4.1 and 4.2 are due. The discussion board assignment for the organizational plan will be due on Friday, and then your 3 lead-ins, your 3 introductions based upon the 3 ways in. Exercise 4.3 and the textbook will be due on Sunday. So as I move over to the course unit, I've rotated week 4 down to the bottom. Week 5 I'll leave at top of the course units page for a few more days. But we're moving into week 6, and week 6 is chapter 4, which is all about drafting. So I've broken down part 1 and part 2 for the assignments this week. Pretty much self-explanatory on the content of chapter 4. Exercise 4.1 or 4.2 helps you work through the beginning drafting phases of your research essay. The organizational plan, Ballinger provides 2 alternatives in the textbook. One is the traditional argument, where you state your claim, your thesis, and you work to support your thesis. And the other way is just through an exploratory pattern, organizational structure for you to present your research. Both of them have flowcharts. In Chapter 4, I will upload a PowerPoint about the organizational patterns later in the week as everyone moves through the exercises and works toward the consultation draft. So I want to take a minute and talk about the consultation draft. It is due next week in week 7. I listed the criteria for the consultation draft here in the assignment. This is one of those exercises where you'll get the points. If you give me just about everything that is listed here, at least if it is attempted. I just review your draft, and the purpose behind the consultation draft is for me to review your content, your argument, your organizational structure. It's more of a holistic review as to where you can revise and add or subtract or any kind of mechanical issues, like especially when it comes to citation, both in text and your works cited or references page, depending upon whether you're using MLA or APA. I'm looking for about 8 to 10 pages, about a full draft, so I can give some feedback on that. And then once you post your draft and upload it to the assignment, that'll be in the week 7 folder. You can head on over and post that to the discussion boards where everybody can do the peer review and comment. The consultation draft is best, how should I say, consulted, for lack of a better word, this early morning. If you give me a Word document, generally what I do is I download them, comment in Word, and I will resend. I'll send them out to you, or I'll attach them in Blackboard. One of the other methods that I might use to get you back your comments on that consultation draft. Also, I've moved over the 3 principles, I should say all 4 principles of citation for your reference, since we're moving into the consultation draft phase. So this is week 6. I'm not gonna really talk too much about the annotated or the encountering sources blog. I've done that in previous screencasts. We're coming down to the last few weeks of the course. So if you have any questions or issues, please email me. I'll try to return all your emails as quickly as possible. So good luck moving into week 6.